complex for the first time. You can see the amount of spray these trucks are throwing up as they head into the complex. Somebody charging straight on at the inside, wallop straight into the side. Oh my goodness gracious me! Staff here at Thruxton will see what happened. This is going into the complex for the first time. Watch for Tom O'Rourke up the inside. He got onto the grass, couldn't slow the truck, hits John Newell, and then straight into and over the barriers. A horrendous accident.